Urhobo, you're welcome to my channel. Alright, quickly, I want to show you how to say basic things in Urhobo, basic routine you do in Urhobo. Waking up in the morning, there are some things you do in the morning and they include brushing your teeth and washing your face. How do you say that in Urhobo? If you have a little kid, you want to tell the kid how to say that. This is what you say. When you say, I want to brush my teeth in Urhobo, you say, me go no me. Say it. Me go no me. Now, look at my mouth. Me go no me. That's it. Me go no me. Did you get that? Now, what is in my hand is called, of course, you know this is toothbrush, right? Now, it is called atoloyibo. Atoloyibo. Before the white man came with toothbrush, we had our own way of brushing our teeth, and we call it ato, what you normally know as chewing stick, right? Chewing stick. You see people always, some people you only put them in their ear. Got chewing stick. So this is toothbrush. Atoloyibo. Say it. Atoloyibo. And once I just say toothbrush, we do a lot of code mixing and code switching. Alright? You can say the toothbrush in that is bring the toothbrush. The toothbrush in it is fine to say it that way because everybody will understand you. I'm teaching communicative Urhobo, not maybe you want to be a professor of the language. No, that isn't it. So, I've told you this is called atoloyibo, and the paste is called ojalawokurako. The toothpaste is called ojalawokurako. Oja in Urhobo is the word for soap. Since this is soap and it is used for brushing of paste, it is okay to call it ojalawokurako. That is the soap for washing of face. But then, who really calls it ojalawokurako in Urhobo? Get me toothpaste in now. That is the way to say it. Get me toothpaste in now. Say, get me toothpaste in now, meaning give me the toothpaste. That is it. That is a better word. In fact, you can use that one anywhere. It is fine. Forget me now. Toothbrush, atoloyibo, and you can still call it toothbrush. Toothpaste, ojalawokurako, and you can still call it toothpaste. You see the toothpaste and toothpaste, they are different. Still, toothbrush is toothbrush. Forget me now. Try to say, you want to ask someone, have you brushed your teeth? He will then say, Worakuwele. Have you brushed your teeth? Worakuwele. Won't you brush your teeth? Worakuwe. No, I won't brush my teeth. Yes, I will brush my teeth. I am brushing my teeth just like I am about to do now. Of course, you don't just brush teeth with your toothpaste and brush. You need water, right? Water is called cup. Cup. A piece of china like this, that is tumbler like this, is called itobene. Here is the cup. Uko naro. Please help me with some water. Biko jama mekebe. What did you just see me do? I gargled. Good. Brush your teeth very well. Have you scrubbed your tongue? I have washed my tongue. What about your face? Have you washed your face? What? Go and wash your face. 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 Now, make a follow around man. Look at me. Me gonna follow around man now. I want to wash my face now. Okay, yummy, but when you put water in your hand. Now, me follow around man. Yeah, man, baby. Put some little water on your hair. Almost very handsome. Okay, this is the end of this video. Basic routine in Urhobo, brushing your teeth and washing your face. So to recap, you want to say I am brushing my teeth. I want to brush my teeth. Have you brushed your teeth? I have not brushed my teeth. I have brushed my teeth. Ado.